Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by powering the GPS and confirming it has location permission so the signal is reliable. Enter your destination now and select driving, walking, or transit depending on your trip. This determines routing rules. Once done, choose a recent or favorite place to save time and make sure the map orientation matches your preference. Check the estimated arrival time and whether tolls or traffic will change the route. Next, compare alternate routes to balance time versus distance. Swipe or tap alternatives to see ETA and traffic delays. Make sure voice guidance is audible and lane assist is enabled so you get turn prompts and exit names. This prevents last-second decisions. If you need a quick stop, add it to the route and rearrange stops as required. Once satisfied, lock the route and start navigation so the GPS recalculates only when needed during travel. As you approach, follow the final guidance and confirm arrival when the app prompts. This ends active routing and saves the trip history. If the unit loses signal, safely pull over, wait about 30 seconds and toggle airplane mode or restart the GPS to restore satellites. This usually fixes reception. If you miss a turn, don't panic. Let the GPS recalculate and follow the new instructions. Also, make sure the app and maps are updated to reduce wrong turns or outdated roads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.